All right, get it in. Yes, we're going to take a look on how to do the closure without glue. Yes, this is how we always did the count of 1 2 3. Let's do this. So this is how we sew our closure. That's how we do it. I remember on the previous video I showed you how you can sew. You can use this elastic and sewing the two sides, and you can see how it is. That one is very fine for you. You can also do it, and then it comes just like this. Remember, the closure comes alone. I've just sewed the elastic there, so if you saw my previous video, I know you know what I'm saying. You get what I'm saying. So after installing it, you just have to come and make sure you're in the line, the true line. You can see it is now perfect there, just like that. Then you try to pull it up a little bit. You see how it is. Yes, and I would like in this video to look at me very careful, because we are going to see something that you'd also want to learn. So my name is Maurice, the crochet master, and I love you so much, guys. Thank you so much for subscribing to our YouTube channel. And remember, I go by the names of Maurice, the crochet master, on my personal account of Instagram. So when we're done with this, you just have to come here. Try to look at me very careful. You pull this elastic so that you can try to make it tight, just like this. Yes, I do this to make it tight. And when you're done with that, you make sure that your closure is in the right position. And then since it is on her skin, I try to bring it on top here, to be on the corners. Yes, you see here. So right now, when I'm done with that, I try to check if my line is still in the position. Yes, I try to pull it very well. You just have to not leave it on the skin, because at times it can be painful. So when you're done with that, after realizing that your closure is still in the same position, you just have to bring a thread. This is the thread that I always use. Yeah, some people, they try to ask themselves, like, what thread do I use? This is how it looks. Yes, you see, this is how it looks. And this is the needle that I use. Other people use this one that is curvy, but I'm used of using this one. So if you're still using the other one, so it is fine. It's just according to what makes you comfortable. Yes, but for me, I'm more comfortable with this. Though some people might be like might get scared of using this one, thinks that it is very dangerous. Lots, it's delicate. Anytime you may pierce someone, but I'm used with it, so it works for me very nicely. So I'm going to sew here first, after positioning my weave to see that it's in the right position. Let's try to be a little bit quick here, because there are a lot of things that I would want to show you when you're done with this. So we're going to sew this thing. I told you have to first know that you're in the right position, and then you be able to sew here. Okay, so let's be quick, just like that. So as you're sewing, you make sure that you're in the right position. Yes, big up to everyone. And if it's your first time to subscribe on this channel, just know you're welcome. And if you're done with that, you just have to come this side. Yes, shout out to my people around Netherlands. Thank you so much for subscribing to our YouTube channel. Yes, then when you reach here, And I would like to show you this part. You can see you just have to make sure that your piece is in position. Are you seeing? Yeah, let me try to zoom a little bit so that you see it very clear. So now the next step we're going to do is to sew here. You understand? And I'm going to try to be a little bit speedy here so that we know it. I think you seeing what I'm doing. Yes, you just have to sew also this elastic here. You understand what I'm saying? Then you try to get it from the skin so that it is on the cornrows. Then when you're done with that, you just come up here. So this I'm doing this side is the same thing the other side, so I don't think it's needful to turn up to the other side. So just know what I'm doing here is the same thing I'm going to do the other side. So this is how I continue doing it. You can see how I hook it up. You understand? Yes. Yeah, it's always tricky. Some people, they always want to make it straight, but if you make it straight you will not handle. You just have to let it flow just like that. So when I'm done with that, and I told you the same thing I do this side, the other one is I do it the other side. So this is the same. I have to remove my elastic. Remember, I know it is very tight, so I remove it very slowly like that. You see, so right now I always cut it after confirming that it is very tight, like it is tight. My closure is not going to move anywhere. So and after, I just have to first hold a bit the puff, then we start with sewing our weave. And here, the other thing that you need to know, we've been having a problem of cutting pieces. Like those people, when they're plating, they cut our human pieces, but it's not right. Just have to respect our human pieces. And then sewing is very simple, as you've been seeing in my other previous videos. We just start from down here just like this. I know you're scared of the way my needle is, but it's what I always use. Trust me, it works for me. So let's try to be a little bit speedy here so that we do it right. When I'm done with that, you see here, like whenever I reach on the corner, I just want to show you how I always play around with my weave. After reaching on the corner, the only thing I do, I turn it just like that. Then there I continue. You understand what I'm saying? So let's do speedy here. Wow, that's how we can keep on rolling it that way, but there's no need of cutting someone's weave. You understand what I'm saying? So as we keep on doing this, I want to take this opportunity to thank everyone who have been with me ever since I started. Oh my god, what you're doing is great, and I hope you also learn something from me. And please, if you really do learn something and you're interested in what I do, you can still go in my comment section and leave a comment for me. Yes, I'll be happy. And those ones, I realize that those people who are slow learners some come to me to learn more things. No problem. If you're still a slow learner, we can see what we can do about it. Yes, so this is how we do this. And if you don't understand anything, please, you can still go in my comment section and write something. I'll be there to answer you, and so that we can keep on doing all the things, because I told you this channel is all about all styles. So that means we have to learn all hairstyles. So when we're done with that, I'm going to show you how you can keep on doing this. Trust me, you won't need glue when you have this elastic. So this is how you keep on doing it, and please you should not cut someone's wave. So it is done, and I've made my I'll make sure that I've installed it very properly, and it is all done. And then you can see how it looks. I'm going to show you. Trust me, after seeing this, you won't need glue anymore. You won't need glue anymore when plating the closure. So this is how it looks. Let me try to show you very properly. Yes, this is how it looks. I think you can see you can see it clear. Then I try to comb it a little bit. And then the next step we're going to do, you know it already, we just have to remove this closure net. And for me, I always use this one. I know it's a bit tricky, but it works for me. It works for me, like it makes my weave very straight whenever I'm using it, and it doesn't allow, whenever I use this razor, I don't I don't lift up the weave. Yeah, there will no need to lift it up like when I'm over pulling it up. So I just use it from down that way, slowly by slowly, so that it get finished. You can see already how it looks. And then let me try to zoom it a little bit so that you can see it properly. You see, this is how it looks. So I don't think you need a glue anymore. Your weave is going to be like this, and those ones you can just apply a foundation if you have it, for that net to get done. So my name is Maurice, the crochet master. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.